Welcome to this tutorial on how to create dynamic zoom text video effects using Canva. Let's begin by going to the Elements tab and adding a square shape to the page. Increase its size and change the color to black. Next, head to the Text tab, add a heading, change the font to Anton. Type in your desired word. Increase the size and position it in the center. After creating your design, download it as a PNG. Then, upload the downloaded image and delete the current content on the page. Drag your video onto the page. Right-click on it and set it as the background. Drag the file you just uploaded onto the page. Resize it to fit the canvas. Center it. And use the BG Remover tool to remove the background. Now, reducing the duration to 5 seconds. Duplicate the page, and on the second page, select the text image, go to Position, lock the ratio, set the width to 10,000, click Center and Middle, and set the transparency to 0. Now, add a transition between the two pages. Choose Match and Move, and increase the duration to the maximum. To synchronize the videos, shorten the first page to 2 seconds. Adjust the second page to start where the first one ends by reducing to seconds. Play the final result and see the dynamic zoom text video effect in action. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching.